When we say leave this space and you don't leave this space, and I get there, I am not lucky, and my boys are with me there, and then we'll beat you.
Mr. Richard Ofori Ajimai. Ghana Hano, are we practicing any form of military democracy or democracy military? Are we? Like amemuono na yebu okroma, like the governance na ede waba power no. Are they practicing military democracy? Because if you go and check the meaning of democracy, military democracy, it means a war zone society that is trying to practice democracy. We are not a war zone as far as me I'm concerned, and with the history we've read, Ghana has never been a war zone.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. All the lie. All the lie. You said all the lie.
Talk to the rich.
I say bibi aboko de mumpomo te say higher Pakori Studios na ya bay de some mama ni tua and komo a e koso krom ha ene ye de bremo de mo hye ene ye de bremo e wa ha ya medin e de PKB original to share more town na humi a eno an se wabo PKB original na maje so yes sir of course intende no yenko ensema aba betodwa eno mu na ye ba beko ye Kumasi mountain so because few days ago, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama swearing in the various mayors for the various cities in Accra. In Ghana, sorry, the various cities in Ghana. And you know, as I'm now dear, Uko Kumasi Municipal Assembly, mayor no, or because they are swearing in Accra, dear no, in some who be brave about Accra, it be bright. Tema mantemu for ne say, omumpe it be bright because on free tema, say be almost I have Nigerian, have now. Omo per se. Omo de enema embetinase eno so de yenim how on betumi asolve no but enupo no nye focus of attention for me and then no attention no Kumasi so ye Kumasi because mayor na ya sorry in Kumasi ne friend Richard Ofori Ajimai Boadi or the nsem bia ba betudwa I can't talk plenty matters make I just give you small intotos of the issues he talk about. We go listen to him, then we'll come back. All he talk be say he saying he want 10 or 2 force garden city into a clean city. Not just clean, he wants to make sure that everything in the city is under law. Into the ombe kano and also moye sebio ya nim say oko edum ne other marketplaces e wo Kumasi a obekona man for to ade wo pavement so ne ade Kumasi Mayor Richard Ofori Ajimai say oba no be two no ne boys ne ba pa dia obegwamo because or di kan ka kirebo say move free mu amuton ade wo pavement so move free ho answer na waba but say obeba ho no ne boys they be ba be to mo pa dia obegwamo omo be ma mo lashes ye begwamo sana mayor no kan nyem na meka ono ane no muto ye be kwa akotie no enti no say ono kwa na nam dia bia obetumi afa ho adi if you be impact pa dia you go figure your body but say either in boys they pick up inside where they come with them Cains where they still say they sell for pavement top my guy madam obegwamo enye easy kura na opese o make you sure say Kumasi gets its prestigious name back as the garden city or two force garden city and one opese o maintaining sa yenko tie newly sworn in mayor for Kumasi Richard Ofori Ajimai yakoba am what 3 questions 3 questions edemano yenko tie na yemla.
There's something we are going to do, and that is where I need your support. As for me, I don't like reporting too many things to the police. I don't want a situation whereby we'll put in place a police team, we'll go arrest people, and then they go to the police station, they find their own means, and they are back on the street. That will be a waste of time and resources for me. So I have my own democratic military style, which I'll be implementing. When we say leave this space, and you don't leave this space, and I get there, I am not lucky, and my boys are with me there, and then we'll beat you. There, in the middle of a doom. If you're not lucky, if I'm alone, you'll be lucky. But if I'm there, and my 10 boys are in their pickup with me, with their hips, trust me, we'll beat you. If you don't want to experience that kind of situation.
Bisa Mayor, Kumasi Mayor Richard Ofori Ajimai, 3 questions. Now 3 questions. The first one is Chairman Mr. Richard Ofori Ajimai. Ghana Hano, are we practicing any form of military democracy or democracy military? Are we like amemuono na yebu okroma, like the governance na ede waba power no? Are they practicing military democracy? Because if you go and check the meaning of democracy, military democracy, it means a war zone society that is trying to practice democracy. We are not a war zone as far as me I'm concerned, and with the history we've read, Ghana has never been a war zone, and it has never been, even till date, and it will never be. Into me beside way, Mr. Richard Ofori-Ajimai, are we in a military democracy system or style where you want to go into town and be lashing hawkers? Yes, I understand you want some sanity in the city called Kumasi. I understand that you want cleanliness, you want people to do the right thing in Kumasi, but I want to ask you, in 21st century, are you going to be lashing people with your boys in town because you want to use the military democracy style? We are not a democratic military state. No. So that one there. Point number 2. Now, in your mission and vision as an assembly, because Kumasi Municipal Assembly has its mission and its vision. When you check, in which part of this gives you the go-ahead to be lashing people in town? Aren't you supposed to be arresting and making people pay fines? And even with the arrest, no, or say on per situation, or bechimo, no the Mwako police station, and then the next minute or the next time, we say Namo Sansu street. So meaning the police force in Kumasi, like is there a problem there where they release people to go back on the street just like that, Mr. Mayor? Is this how you'll be moving? That's my second question. And the third question, in which part of the local governance law gives you the go ahead to move this way? This is way it is undiplomatic. Honestly speaking, yes, sometimes we need to use the hard way to get results or to get things done. But 21st century, you can't go about and be lashing people. Say we'll be go a man for my minimum papa. Let me ask you, how many jobs have been created in Kumasi? I'm sure if jobs were created for these people, they won't come and be hawking on pavement. And this is how they make their deliberate. When no more edidi, Emma Musa Komano, and Tisebio, on pebe before for Emma or moi. As a mayor, I don't know baby gom. You should rather focus on making sure you find place for these hawkers. Because I'm sure to be able to get a place in the market, KFT market, is very expensive. And even with that, it is a political conversation we are talking about, which we won't even go into. People selling in the market have the money, but those hawking, do they have the money to do that? You should come again. Bosu, Charlie, Chama, if you come again, you know if you can't large people for town, just like that too. No. I mean, the way you are moving, solid. You want to make sure Otunfo's Garden City gets its pride and its name back. But you should use a much diplomatic way, not to come and belash people. Minim margarine chere, but ubet me joining a comment session. If you agree with the mayor or not, I agree with him. Even with the cattle bit where or say nenchie so be hu nenchie nam run about any krum like say obi efie amanane aba now a bedru new airport, Prempeh the first international airport. Na say wafaka na oko ni hotel na oko fie na obenam run about na enentwie egrizi wo na ade no. O say no de o ombeku nentwie na omde omwetwitwa nam na omaye no fine come dey akwa prisoners. I think that is laudable. Yeah, it makes sense because Charlie, this whole cattle people, the cattle they move for time and things, you know, nice. It be some way. Sometimes they drive safe, then cattle they pass, and you know be appropriate place for cattle. They no put signal for there. Say here cattle they pass, but you go see cattle they move for there. It be some way down we they agree with you, but the lashing bit, bossu, if you for come again, because I don't know, but guys, we don't know what you think. Join us in the comment section. Let's get to know what you think. I have Pakori Studios, me in the PKB already now. Of course, the best baby job ya no. Ebe ha ne de abe mamu. Fefe kama woto. Ya krawo.
I don't want peace. I want problem. Always.
You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Kasia,
How can you tell me this story?
All the lie, all the lie. You said all the lie.